Yeah, I think
I'll pull over to south.
right.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Why is it so
The
rocky?
National Weather Service in Hazelton
you're
has
going
issued
like
a
50
tornado
something, right?
warning
Yeah.
for Beltrami County in north central Kisota, Wadena
Like
County in north
55,
central
56.
Kisota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Funkley. Doppler radar showed this
I got
tornado
going at
moving east
54.
at 40 miles per hour. Include Welch Valley, Funkley. Take cover now.
Okay, pull over,
Move to
pull
an
over,
interior
pull
room
over.
on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are
Go ahead,
outdoors,
drop
in a
the
mobile
get out of
home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yep.
Hey, Audrey, I think I miscalculated. We're gonna head more north.
Of course.
Okay.
So,
Just go ahead and get back in your car and follow me.
okay.
I think our best bet is to head up right up here.
Yeah, probably.
Let's see. I'll show you where it's taking.
The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Beltrami County in north central Kisota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Welch Valley. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Welch Valley, Funkley. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Safe. That's my point.
Stay in your car and be ready here just in case. Might be anybody stay. Dead on, deadhead.
I'm just gonna drive until you.
I got it. I'm getting another tree.
Good for you.
I'm getting another tree, goddamn.
What if I just go straight to a tornado? Oh, like, actually, just
Oh my god, man.
Look at this. I'm just going straight towards tornado.
Oh my god.
I'm doing something stupid that no one should do at home.
Now you're not.
I'm just driving toward it, through grass, but
The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Beltrami County in north central Kisota, Wadena County in north central Kisota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of
going,
tornado near
I have to get into tornadoes.
Okay.
Last thing I do. Wait. Okay, one. Right, into this tornado. Yeah. I'm least in the tornado, or in the grass area.
Hey, RJ.
Yeah.
Where were you?
I'm right next to the tornado in the grass area.
You see that 2024 too? You see that thing with the Malta that we take? That can break. I'm literally like, I'm just out in front of it right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see the white car? That's just,
Yeah.
yep, that was it. I'm being stupid. I was in the tornado for like a tiny bit.
You'll see me. You can see me like right now. Okay, wait up, boom.
The National
Scroll
Weather
over.
Service in Hazelton has issued a
You see
tornado
it, Jim,
warning
behind you?
for Beltrami County in north central
yep.
Keysota, Medina
Yeah, that's
County
me.
in north central Keysota.
Follow
National
right
Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near
This
Hazelton,
thing sucks at
moving southeast at 50
everything.
miles per hour. Locations impacted include
Driving left.
Almora. To be
Dang,
during a
bro.
tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter.
We got
If
some
no
rotation
shelter
going
is
on just a
available,
little bit
lie
down
flat
south.
in the nearest ditch,
So
or
we're gonna
on
go
a
ahead and
low
down
and
there.
cover your head with your hands.
Okay. I went inside the tornado.
Yeah.
I literally just went whoop into the tornado. And it was actually kind of weird. Just going into the tornado, like how I did. Very weird.
We're gonna turn right, Brad.
Okay. If only I could get there in time.
Why are you going so slow?
I'm going 110.
Oh, God. Jesus, yeah.
That's like I turned. What can I say?
Yes. Hold on. Let me get in front of you, okay? There you go. This next left coming up, we're gonna go ahead and take it, okay?
Okay. You know, I'm pretty sure the scout I have is faster.
It is faster.
Goes 115.
I mean, if you want to, you can take the scout. It's up to you. I don't care. Whichever one you feel like chasing it.
This one looks more fine, so it's alright.